let's hop into this week's Whissel Widget of the Week. Our Whissel Widget of the Week is something that we use in our daily lives, saves us time, makes us more money, lets us have more fun. I apparently have used one app several times too many, but I love it a lot. The app is called Captions. It adds captions to your video. I found an alternative. Tom's shaking his head because now I added it for the fourth time. When we're having our international team, our team in the Philippines, edit some of our videos, add in captions, they don't have an iPhone because it's not as prevalent in other countries, and it's super, super expensive. 2, they don't have a lot of apps that are available here in the United States. I don't know why, but it's not available in the Philippines, some of the big Android apps. And so we found a website called Veed.io, Veed.io. And this will allow you to, on a website, upload a video, add some captions, make it kind of unique. Pretty neat website. I think it's 15 or 18 or $20 a month. But it will allow you to burn in those captions, and that way we can go from there and then upload them to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever, and have much more engaging videos because the words are up on the screen. So Veed.io is my app.
Love it.
What is your widget, Mike?
My widget, in general, it's Audible. As much time as I spend in my car, I really enjoy reading, and I can't read as much as I'd like.
You're not supposed to read in the car.
No, it's frowned upon.
Because you get car sick.
Pulls you over for that. No, so I like to listen to a lot of books and podcasts while I'm driving around or waiting for the kids in line at school or whatnot. And there's a consistent book that I listen to, I'd say probably every 2, maybe 3 months. And it's Can't Hurt Me, the David Goggins story. And what I think is so powerful and impactful about this book in particular is it's read by David Goggins. And throughout the Audible book, they take breaks where it turns into kind of a podcast where they talk about and debrief the prior chapters. And it's David Goggins and his ghostwriter, his co-author, kind of like hashing out deeper into what he just talked about in the prior chapters. And it's more than just motivation. It's inspiration. It's education. It's taking a mirror and looking at yourself and truly seeing like what you're made of, and him showing you what you're capable of being. It's such a beautiful book, and it's so powerful. It's something that, as a business owner, as an operator, as a father, as a productive member of society, I feel it really helps keep me grounded and focused on what's most important. So I would absolutely recommend that you put Can't Hurt Me, the David Goggins story, in your repertoire of reading or in your Audible, and listen to it.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Mike.
Yeah, thanks, brother.
Thank you guys for watching this week's episode of the Whissel Way podcast. We will see you next week.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.